In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set task priorities and color code subtasks in Todoist. We'll start by opening Todoist on the web or in the desktop app. Once you're in, make sure you're on the correct account and workspace so your changes land in the right place. The interface might look slightly different depending on your platform, but the priority controls work the same. Next, open the project where you want to work. From the project view, pick the specific task you want to organize. Click to open its task pane or details view. Here, you can set the task's priority. Todoist uses 4 priority levels that map to colors. The highest priority is red, followed by orange, then blue, and the lowest has no color. Choose the level that matches the urgency and impact of the task. This color will appear in lists and filters, making the task stand out appropriately. With the parent task set, add structure by clicking Add Subtask. A new subtask line appears nested under the main task. Name it clearly so it's obvious what done looks like. Just like the parent, each subtask can have its own priority. To color code the subtask, open its details and go to Priority, often shown with a small flag icon. Select the color that reflects its urgency. For example, reserve red for items that are time-sensitive, use orange for important but not immediate work, and blue for normal tasks you don't want to lose track of. Keeping a consistent scheme across your projects helps you scan your list quickly. After you set the subtask priority, you'll see the chosen color applied right away. If you create more subtasks, repeat the same process so each one communicates its urgency at a glance. You can collapse and expand the parent task to keep your view clean, and the colors will still help you spot what matters when it's expanded. That's all there is to it. Go to Todoist, open your project, set the task priority, add a subtask, and assign a priority color to that subtask through the priority control. This simple habit brings clarity to your day, makes reviews faster, and ensures nothing critical gets buried. When you're done, your project will be neatly organized and visually prioritized, ready for action. If you change your mind, you can update priorities at any time. Todoist will sync the new colors across your devices. A good rule of thumb is to keep the highest priority rare so it truly signals urgency. Review your colors during your daily or weekly check-in to keep everything aligned.